going to show you today how to make a fabulous split pea soup. So you want to take your dried peas and you want to rinse them off, and you also want to look for stones. Sometimes in these peas, I don't know how, little rocks get in there, but you want to look through, and if there are any peas that just look really brown and gross, and oh, there's a rock, okay? I don't know why the rocks get in there, but they do. So you want to look through the peas and make sure there are no rocks, there's no little stones, and then you want to rinse this. So I'm just going to spray the peas down, make sure they're all rinsed, and take your hands. Make sure you wash your hands before you cook. Rinse them off. You might want to do another check, make sure you didn't miss any little rocks. That's the worst thing, is somebody to bite into their, oh, look, I found another one, is to be eating their soup and bite down and have a rock. Oh, there's another one. Okay, so you really want to check that.